Renee from Party Host Helpers. We are here today with a fun dessert slash decoration that's really easy for you and your kids. So we start with double stuffed Oreos. Never a bad start. I went ahead and I dipped these in chocolate already. You just get a lollipop stick from the craft store or a candy store, popped it in, let them set either in your refrigerator or overnight on your counter. And then to make these cute sunflowers, I have yellow chocolate, and then you just make a circle. My hand's not super steady. And then get a toothpick or a stick again and just make your petals for the sunflower. And then when you set it, pull it up, pop it on both sides, just like that, and then let that set again. And what you're gonna do is I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna fill it in to make sure it looks smooth. You can use a decorating bag. You can use a Ziploc bag. I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit because it was kind of thick. And then I'm gonna put some sprinkles on it, chocolate. Dump them off, and then pop it in your favorite little pot. So it could be a small pot, it could be a pot like this that I already had at home. I put some styrofoam, I put some fake flowers in here, but it's cute as a centerpiece or a dessert and a craft for your kids to enjoy. We are nationwide, so if you need a bartender, server, just a general party host helper, make sure you check us out at www.partyhosthelper.com.